We've had a lot of Frozen content lately, but we do a lot of beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos too. So today is the perfect blend of all of them because we are going to unbox, do swatches, and a review of the new Colourpop Frozen collection. Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Engel and today we're unboxing and swatching and reviewing and playing with the entire new Frozen 2 Colourpop collection. I've got it in a box down here and I'm gonna grab it. It says, please handle with care, fragile. I'm not gonna waste any time, you guys. We're just gonna get right into this because I'm really excited for this. My Frozen friends, are you as excited as I? Oh, I see the packaging already. It's so pretty. That was, again, how not to sing like a Disney princess. I just got a little excited. The other one. Oh, and there's like a little message too. Thankful for you. Thank you. I'm thankful for you too, Colourpop. Just so you know, Colourpop did not send this to me. They did not ask me to do this. I don't think they know that I exist. You guys want to tell them that I exist so they can send me the stuff for free next time. Just so you know, this is absolutely my own opinion. I can't be biased. I mean, I'm biased because there's princess faces on it, and that automatically makes me want to like it. But other than that, like, this is not sponsored. They didn't gift it to me. I bought this with my own money. I don't even know which one to open first. Elsa's the older sister, but Anna gets the short end of the stick a lot of the time because she was the one the whole first movie was basically about, and all the little kids like Elsa better. So we're gonna look at Anna first. Sorry, Elsa.
Fine.
You guys, the packaging. Okay, so I should say also, I had never bought anything Colourpop before until they had their Tangled, like I See the Light collection. I was so impressed with it and I absolutely loved it. And so you guys also asked when you guys found out there was gonna be Frozen 2 palettes, you wanna see a review. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Why are you so pretty? Why are you so pretty? What is this? Okay. Oh, glitter. It's called Waterfall. Glitterally obsessed glitter gel. Oh, I love the name of that. This packaging, I can't even handle it. It's so Anna-y, it's so Arendelle. Let's put some glitter on. Oh, this, you could spread it out if you wanted it to be more subtle, or you can be like full on like Coachella glitter bomb mode. And I love it. Do you love it? I love it. And I'm not usually like, let's chunk on the glitter. Like they've got big flecks, they've got little flecks. It's nice. Let me see if I can cover my face and show you the thing. This is nice. This is very, very nice. I feel like I'm a walking advertisement for them and they didn't even pay me to be. I just am so excited. What do we look at next? What is this? What is this? Going North Cream. Oh, I think this is a lipstick. Ooh, this is a good Anna color. Oh, this is a great Anna color. It's a great, like nude, but it's a very like deep. It's not like too much of a brownish nude though. It's a good color for Anna and it's just pretty. I feel like this would look good on a lot of different people. I could play with these and the packaging, I just love it. I love that with the pink for Anna, it has all the Arendelle symbols on it. I don't know what other word to use. Obsessed. The lip gloss, I think this is called Free Spirit. That's a good one for Anna. Let's see what it smells like. I wanna eat it. I'm not gonna taste it this time. I made the mistake last time. I wanna see this on top of that. I'll put a little on too. It's got this nice coral shade to it. I feel like these really embody Anna quite well, which is nice because poor Anna doesn't get enough love. These are really nice. This is, I feel like, what we're all here to see. Scooch in. Ooh, it's not as glittery on my arm as it looks in here, but it's still, it looks shinier on my finger than it does on my arm. It's still shiny, but it almost feels like there's like a hint of gold even within the very white color, which would seem very Anna, because I think the Elsa colors are the more silvery ones, whereas Anna, a lot of them are more warmer colors. Now let's try Wind. Ooh, this is like, I can tell already, like my finger. Oh, it reminds me kind of her hair color, like the auburn, like it's got a nice, like an orange tone to it. And this is way more pigmented than I expected it to be. Earth. I love this gold color. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the color that I used in the Belle makeup tutorial, but a little bit more true gold instead of yellow. And let's see. Yes, it is. Oh, this is a pretty color. Definitely has a nice shimmer to it. It's gold. I think you can see it. I think it's funny they chose Earth to be the gold one. When I think of Earth, I don't think of gold. But when I do think of gold and Earth, I think of that gold song in Pocahontas. Okay, Adventure, I think is also great. It's called Adventure because Rapunzel loves adventure, and I think this is a fabulous Rapunzel color. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, this is even prettier on my skin than it is in the pan. It does seem more Anna than Rapunzel on the skin. Arendelle, I'm excited to, whoa. Oh, I feel like I just stuck. Can you see this? Look at that, look at that. Oh, okay. It's pure magical glitter. It reminds me of C-3PO.
Princesses.
These colors. Okay, Autumn Breeze. Autumn Breeze also kind of reminds me of like a color that could be good for Elsa's crease. Oh, you guys, the pigment in this. Oh, this is actually, I'm curious to see what's in the Elsa palette, but this could make a really great color for Elsa, actually. In Frozen 1, Elsa's more like pink and purple, but in Frozen 2, it's more like just purple, and this is actually really close. So I'm curious to see what's in the Elsa palette. Next, we're gonna move on to Warm Hugs. Oh, whoa, it's like almost like so loose that it's, whoa, yeah, it's like, pigmented is the understatement with these. I think these are pressed powders, and so they're really, you gotta be careful about probably breaking them. I imagine these would break pretty easily. Warm Hugs is the perfect name for this. Something about the pinkish reddish color makes you think hugs, but then there's like little flecks of gold in it. It's like the magic of Olaf. Next we have Fearless. Actually will make a great color as well for Ariel's blush and Ariel's crease color. I love it. And then let's find one more finger, Charades. This would be a great like deep contour color. Ooh, that's a nice brown there. I'm thoroughly impressed. I've got messy hands, messy fingers. I love this middle row. I love this middle row so much with the purples and the golds. I think it's because it's very Rapunzel, but they also go great for Arendelle, for Anna, and for Arendelle. These are so pretty. Adventure, Arendelle, and Autumn Breeze. There's a star next to Arendelle. Is there a reason why? Okay, technically they're all pressed powders, except for I think Arendelle is a pressed glitter. And oh my goodness, that middle row, Adventure, Arendelle, Autumn Breeze. I'm obsessed. I love this. I can't spend all day staring at these, so we've got to go through Elsa's too. Look how pretty this bow is, by the way. Look at that, look at that. We've got the snowflake, but with the little symbols for the different elements. We're gonna just go right into the glitter again because, you guys. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention in my general how to do your makeup like Disney princesses at the parks makeup video was I forgot to mention Elsa has glitter gel that she wears on her cheekbones as a highlight. I think that was the only thing I left out. I did mention it in the actual Elsa makeup tutorial, but this would be so perfect for that, I can tell already. Oh, the sparkles. This is so perfect. This is Elsa. It just is. So sparkly. I don't know where my mirror is. Maybe I just tap it. It's so sparkly. I love the iridescent, the tones in the iridescent. This will definitely be my current go-to for Elsa glitter on the cheekbones, which it should be. Oh, it's called the Dark Sea. That's a little depressing though, because, well, we won't get into it. Let's go into Elsa's lipstick color. Oh, it's called Little Snow. Yeah, this is a great Elsa color, especially like, yep, that's it. Like, I'm done. This is it. Obsessed. And obsessed with the packaging, and just seeing the packaging puts you kind of in that Elsa mood. Elsa does not strike me as a lip gloss kind of girl, but if she did, it would be like this. This is like pure glitter. This reminds me of, was it like Smackers? Was it Smackers? That's just like the old, like the little, like as a kid, you'd love this. And it smells good again. This is done really well. The glitter is extremely fine, so it doesn't have that little kid lip gloss glitter feel. There's something about lip gloss with you've got big chunky glitter. I'm just not a fan, but this is really, really fine. I like it better than I even thought it would. And it's just pretty to look at. Now, for what we've all been waiting for. I love her little face there. Elsa, let's see, what colors do you have for us to look at today? Let's start with Cuddle Close. Oh, the iridescent level on this is like the tones in it are so pretty. There's like a pinkish almost to it. Can you see? Can you see? Fire. I like that the fire is, it's not like the typical red that you'd think. I don't know. I don't know if this is what, when I look at this, I think of fire. I might even call this one fire because Bruni, the little fire demon, is kind of more like this color of water. It's still a pretty color. It's a really pretty color. Northern Lights. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, Northern Lights. Oh, ho, ho. The shining, shimmering, splendid. Okay, let's just put it on the hand. Oh, it's so nice. It's like, on the skin, it's like a very neutral, but a little some pink to it, but there's this wonderful iridescent, like the greenish, bluish iridescentness to it that's so pretty. I love these colors. Gale. Okay, I'm excited to go into Gale because it makes me think of a Rapunzel color. It's this really pretty frosty purple. And on the finger already, I'm obsessed. Okay, let's see where we put you right here. I love this color. It's like this beautiful lavender. It's like magical. And now next to it is Flurry. This is magic glitter, just enchantment right there. Again, with the most beautiful iridescent, like the greens and like purples. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I'm making weird noises because I love it. Water should be named Bruni. I'm just saying right now, it should be named Bruni. But I'm not mad it's called water. It can be, this would be such a good Bruni color. Water, so interesting, but it's a pretty color. But yeah, it's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like definitely darker in some areas. It's not very smooth. Awakened. I'm excited for this one because it's like this deep like burgundy maroon color, but you can see these flecks, these iridescent flecks. This is all about the iridescent because, you know, Elsa, of course. Ooh, that's a pretty, pretty color. Ooh, and it's very pigmented. Again, like if you're about the sparkles, you're gonna love this palette. This is fabulous. I think it's so unique to see such a rich, purpley reddish color, like with these flecks of glitter, like the iridescent glitter in it. It's just really, really unique. Ooh, okay, ice crystals. I'm excited to try this. Oh, it feels very like glitter, like a pressed glitter. Is this like pure like silver? This looks to me kind of like, ooh, it reminds me of the Jeffrey Shane collab, the Cola, was it Cola? It makes me think of the Tin Man, but it's a little bit sparklier. Oh, I like this. Ah ha ha. Okay, and then this other one that I can't pronounce the name, Spindrift. I can't read the name. I think it says Spindrift. Oh, it's a nice deep burgundy purple. Oh, yeah, this is the color for Elsa's lid. I think I might do a Frozen 2 Elsa look because the eyeshadow in particular is a little bit different. Her freckles are a little more noticeable in Frozen 2, maybe because she's actually been out in the sun for the first time in forever since they opened up the gates. So if you guys want to see a new Elsa Frozen 2 inspired makeup tutorial, let me know. We can use some of these in it. I'm really happy. Gale might be one of my new favorite eyeshadows ever. It's just the most beautiful, like it just makes me think of Elsa at the end. In that look with the hair flowing and I'm not going into the spoilers, but it's just, this, if ever a color has captured that, a single color, that's it. I love it. I'm not gonna bother to clean this off. I'm just gonna, because I gotta go see Frozen 2 again with Nara. Thank you, Nara, for inviting us. He's taking us on a tour of the animation lot, if I can get there quickly enough. So I gotta run. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know which of these shades you like the best. Let me know if you wanna see me do any looks with these. I really do wanna do a screen accurate Elsa Frozen 2 tutorial, complete with like the whole transformation. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, including the ones that I just mentioned with Frozen 2 Elsa screen accurate makeup. We put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so ring the little bell if you want notifications when those come out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hello, and welcome to the Queendom. Whoa, and that automatically makes me wanna watch. It's way more pigmented than I expected it to be. Phone, be quiet. My phone knows I need to leave. Not good. Okay. Oh. I can't read, or it says Spindrift. Spine, La Rift. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. I just sang that like Scuttle.